changed style videos of Sianga. I'm like, wow, this is amazing.
Footballers not freestyle. I appeared in football advertisements in Kuwait and I did freestyle.
Now let's move to an interesting session, My Hobby, where we have with us Shahzad Mohammed of Class 11 Science to talk about his talents in freestyle football. Let's move to Shahzad. Hi Shahzad, welcome to Progressive News.
My name is Shahzad Mohammed. I'm a football freestyler from Matul South.
I started playing football when I was in 3rd standard. My dream was always to be a professional football player, but it all changed later on when I reached 7th standard. Football freestyle is the art of self-expression through creatively juggling a football using any parts of the body. How I got introduced to freestyle was through YouTube. I used to watch freestyle videos of Sian Garnier, PWG. These are top level freestylers and I got inspired by them. I see their skills and I'm like, wow, this is amazing. Even I need to try this out. I need to be like you guys. And I used to search up for tutorials in YouTube and take my football and go outside and start training for it. Talking about the support and the demotivation I get, it was really hard in the beginning because when you start something new, there will be people with you and people against you. So there was people to make fun of me and there was people to appreciate me, and very few appreciated me. It is obvious that when you do something new, people will make fun of you rather than supporting you. Now it is almost 3 years with freestyle and the people who used to make fun of me now appreciate me, because in the starting you can't be a pro within 1 day or 1 month. It takes time to do anything and must master it. Football is different from freestyle. Football is a game and freestyle is an art. So I didn't face any problems by doing freestyle, but I missed a lot of opportunities. I didn't make it to my school team because I freestyle, and obviously they want footballers, not freestylers. Now I get many opportunities in freestyle that I didn't get by playing football. I appeared in football advertisements in Kuwait Football Club. I organized freestyle events and I did a freestyle show in my school. The luckiest thing I got from freestyle was to meet freestyle legend Sian Garnier. He was the reason why I started freestyle and I got to play with.
Thank you very much Shahzad, that was indeed really motivating. May you inspire and be a role model for all of us.